guys, this is Fatima and our channel Information Access is about all the hot topics of today's world. You can get all informative videos on this channel Information Access. Today I would be demonstrating what is ClickBank and how it works. Firstly, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is one of the affiliate marketing networks like Amazon that links several product owners and publishers. It is the United States-based company that founded in the year 1998. From then, they are being such a popular and competitive affiliate marketer. ClickBank allows their users to sell their own products from various categories. ClickBank is being an intermediator between affiliates and product owners, where both wanted to make money. Product owners can advertise their products on ClickBank, mentioning with the unique features and commission rate. Affiliates select a product based on the authority and commission rate that meets their requirements. Then they start marketing or promoting in their own way. Now, how to make money with ClickBank? If you would like to make money with ClickBank, you are not alone. ClickBank has a library of over 4,000 unique products that reach over 200 million customers around the world. ClickBank is an e-commerce platform that connects over 6 million digital content creators and affiliate marketers who then promote them to consumers. The platform works through an affiliate network, making it easy for its registered users to increase their visibility and promote their ebooks, online courses, videos, and music to more consumers. There are two main ways to make money using ClickBank. The first way is to create your own products and list them. The second way is to skip the product creation step and list other people's products while taking a commission from each sale. Vendors can select a commission rate between 1% to 75%. Selling your own products on ClickBank. ClickBank makes it easy to promote your digital goods and services. You will be charged a $49.95 one-time activation fee for becoming a seller on ClickBank. After you have signed up as a vendor, you will list your products. Then, you will set the commission percentage you are willing to pay to anyone who chooses to market and promote your product for you. Once your product is listed, other ClickBank users will start promoting it on their own websites. This will drive traffic to the sales page on your website and result in sales. ClickBank is a tool for generating leads. If you are selling a product on ClickBank, it's a good idea to make sure that your landing page, the destination all your affiliates are sending traffic to, is user-friendly, sales-oriented, and has a clear call to action. Otherwise, visitors will simply click through and then navigate away from your website. While this will result in traffic to your website, it won't generate any revenue for you. It may be better to view ClickBank as a tool for generating leads because you may not sell 100,000 copies of your ebook immediately. ClickBank can act as a path to drive visitors to your website so they can sign up for your newsletter. Once you have signed up for your newsletter, you have an infinite amount of opportunities to market to them rather than just one opportunity. Selling other people's products on ClickBank. In addition to selling your own products on ClickBank, you can also act as an affiliate and market products listed by other vendors. As soon as you sign up to become an affiliate on ClickBank, you can immediately browse the different products available for you to sell. ClickBank has over 4,000 unique products listed on the platform. In the beginning, it may be helpful to narrow down your search by filtering from product type or commission percentage. It's important to thoroughly review the vendor sale page before committing to promoting their product. They may be offering a 75% commission rate, but if their website does not appear trustworthy, you won't be in a position to generate sales regardless of how much traffic you drive to their website. Marketing ClickBank products. To begin with, you should have a website that contains other affiliate offers similar to the ClickBank products that you want to promote. If you don't have a website, WordPress offers a free version of its content management system that you can use to begin publishing articles immediately. You can use your articles to get the attention of readers and then present your ClickBank affiliate offer somewhere within the article. You can also develop a newsletter and use it to promote your ClickBank offers to your audience as soon as possible. Building a fan page on Facebook is also an option since most audiences are on the social media platform too. You can populate your Facebook with content that links to your website and use it to drive traffic to your website. Another way you can share your content is to use other content distribution networks such as Taboola or Outbrain. Drive traffic to your website. The more traffic there is to your website, the more money you have the potential to make with ClickBank. To maximize your traffic, you should spend some time identifying keywords that are commonly searched for that relate to the product you plan to sell. If you create articles and other content based on those keywords, you can often get some traffic from search engines, especially if you target long-tail keyword phrases. Long-tail keyword phrases are longer and more specific search phrases rather than one or two words. For example, if you are planning to promote an online poker course, you might do some keyword research and decide that the term online poker course has too much competition from existing websites. However, an article based on answering the question when to push during a sit and go does not have as much competition and may yield more traffic. Optimize your website and capture visitor information. Whether you are promoting your own products or someone else's content, the most important thing is to make sure that your website is functional and error-free. You will also want to begin capturing the information of people who visit your website as soon as possible. One way to do this is to offer a newsletter. With a newsletter, you can build a dedicated audience to market all of your offers in the future. Now, the benefits of ClickBank. ClickBank benefits both product owners and affiliates in an easy way. Benefits of product owners. Advertising products on ClickBank will be a great choice when you start your online sale or business. You can try to promote all your products yourself, but it takes so much time and need patience, and somewhat it is difficult too. But in ClickBank, there are a lot of affiliates who will promote your product and increase your sales. You will start earning quickly and your brand gets recognized easily. ClickBank has plenty of affiliates to help your online business, and so it is ideal. Using ClickBank for promoting your product is easy and needs simple steps to do. As a product owner, to sell your product on ClickBank, all you need is a vendor account. You have to set up an account and fix the product price. After approval, ClickBank will provide you the special code for product sale link or button, which you will put on your website. All the transactions made via ClickBank, so you no need to worry about doing them yourself. ClickBank's referral program scheme offers more money for their vendors. For this offer, you need to convince another merchant to create an account and sell their products on ClickBank. You will get 22% of their sign-up fee as compensation. You will also receive a small percentage from the sale of their every product using the service. Benefits of affiliates. ClickBank is also suitable for affiliates who need to earn more. Sign-up is free for affiliates and you have lots of products to earn money. Making money with ClickBank is highly possible and easy when you are a skilled promoter. ClickBank vendors fix their commission rate between 1% to 75%, so you should know how to select the vendor and how much commission rate is reasonable to you. This will avoid spending time on promoting a bad vendor or a poor quality product. If you are completely relying on ClickBank affiliate, then you should find the correct niche. You should have a full understanding of the product you are going to promote. ClickBank has categorized their product in a detailed way, so it will not be difficult to choose the product to promote. You will get complete details about the product features and about the vendors. You may need the patient to get your first payment. Afterward, you won't go back. ClickBank checks whether you are genuine and not buying products yourself that you are promoting. For that, they monetize the first 5 sales of the product and ensure that all are from different credit cards before paying you. However, once you proved as a genuine seller or affiliates, getting paid from ClickBank are stressless.
For more useful information, like this video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications.